Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to Skyhawks Academy. So today we will be covering our tenses part from the English lectures. So we will be covering all the tenses in today's class. First of all, we need to know what is tense, a category of verbal inflection expressing the time at, during, or over which the state or action is presented. We have three types of tenses: past, present, and future. We will be covering all the categories as well. First of all, past. Expressing actions, activity, and state of being in the past is called a past tense. Simple past tense, first category is simple past tense expresses the idea that an action started and finished at a specific time in the past. So, for example, he arrived at the airport. Now, here it is past tense, having arrived, second form of verb. Then there comes I finished my lunch, went to the beach, and found a nice place to swim. Similarly, Richard studied astronautical engineering for 3 years. This is a past indefinite tense. Eric was shy as a child, but now he is very outgoing. Similarly, we have a sentence: dinosaurs were once the dominant terrestrial vertebrate animal. This is a past fact or generalization. And then we come with a when clause, that is something always happen first. For example, in when clause there could be a sentence, they can be positioned at the beginning or at the end of the sentence. For example, she answered my question when I paid her $1. Similarly, when I paid her $1, she answered my question. So you have to understand the positioning of when clause. Like in the first sentence, there comes when part, answer part first and then pay, while in the second question, pay comes first and then answer. So this is how we position the when clause questions. So that's all for today's class. Follow us on Instagram, YouTube, and stay connected with us.